If your car, deck, driveway, path or outdoor furniture are not looking their best, a pressure washer is one of the most effective and most satisfying ways of bringing them back to their former glory. This 36-volt pressure washer from RYOBI is battery powered, so it's perfect for when you need to clean in locations where you can't access mains power. It comes with interchangeable nozzles that will tackle the most common outdoor cleaning jobs. Your soap nozzle will automatically access the soap dispenser unit, which is great for pre-soaking cars. The turbo nozzle, this will get rid of the tough, stubborn stains like concrete driveways and garage floors. It also has a boost mode, which is around 1500 PSI. The orange nozzle is your general purpose nozzle. It's great for cleaning moss and dirt from driveways, paths and decks. If you're already on the 36-volt platform, this is perfect for you. There's also an additional port for a second battery if you want to extend the runtime. The rugged metal roll bars, big wheels and collapsible handle make it really easy to move around and store. Adding even more versatility is this attachable water bladder when a garden hose is out of reach. It's an incredible feature when you're camping or washing salt from the boat. So if you want to make outside cleaning a stress-free exercise, let your RYOBI do the dirty work for you.
RYOBI, a cut above.